Hello, you are welcome to the event channel. If you like the videos, do not hesitate to put a like, a comment and to subscribe. It helps me to evolve the channel. Thank you. Weather balloons with anomalous cloud formations have mysteriously formed in the United States. And we seem to have seen an increase in reports of mystery cloud sightings in the skies of the United States lately. These strange phenomena caused a stir among the public, with many speculating about the nature and origin of these strange cloud formations. Strange cloud formations have also been reported from several different locations in the United States, such as Bala, Kansas, Trenton, Missouri, Mount Pleasant, Iowa, Turner, Arkansas, Denver, Colorado, and many more cities. Indeed, an unusual cloud mass has already floated above the Hudson River in New York. Subscribe for more videos and daily latest news. Wish you have a nice time. Goodbye.
Look up.